All right, now you should be pretty proficient at placing images in frames, changing the colors of backgrounds, editing the text, changing the fonts, even editing buttons. So this is the final product. I'm actually going to skip walking you through this one because I think you can do all of these steps by yourself. I just wanted to touch on choosing photos that will go here. So what you want are photos that are all kind of in the same color family. All of these are neutral. Like if you have a photo shoot where you're wearing totally different outfits in different colors, I don't recommend that here. I also recommend doing 3 different variations. If you don't have like a whole collection of headshots, just do 1 headshot and then 2 other details of, projects that you've worked on. Just don't do like maybe 3 of your face. Do some variety. The biggest thing is just making sure your colors are within the same family to make sure that they feel like they're going together. These are actually from 3 different shoots, but they still work together. So I tried a few different headshots in here, and the one that I picked was the one where she's looking off camera. I chose this because she looked friendly and approachable. I'm like, oh, you look like someone that I could actually talk to quite easily.